Can you have enough beads? Well, when creativity strikes and you want to make something, don't you want all your supplies ready to go? That's why you'll love the collections from Eureka Crystal Beads. This is the Terra Verde collection. It has perfectly coordinated colors and finishes. So it's a great starting point for your next project, but it was specially designed by a YouTuber named Gina. She has a beading channel called Orchid and Opal, and she's been providing online inspiration for beaders for more than 8 years. If you want to purchase one for yourself or look at all of it at the Eureka Crystal Beads website, you can find my affiliate link below in the video description. Lite collections are full of variety and feature best-selling products from top-of-the-line bead manufacturers. The quantity of each item may be a little less than you would get in a full collection, allowing you to experience all of this at a great deal. Look at this beautiful inspiration photo for the Terra Verde bead collection light, and they always neatly package all the beads and findings together. We'll be taking that out and looking at everything close up. Here they let you know that this is a celebration of sun-drenched serpentine vibrant life, and you can read all about it. In the inside of this paper, you can find a complete supply list of everything that's included. And I'm super excited to pull out all the items that were in this collection. And let's go ahead and take a close look at them. This is a 10-gram bag of Miyuki seed beads in an assorted mix called Sea Breeze Sand. I went ahead and pulled out a few of each color so you can really see how beautiful they are together. In this bottom row of seed beads are all the ones that were in the bag. There's also these lovely size 15 Miyuki seed beads. These are a matte silver lined teal. We also have size 8 seed beads by Miyuki, and they are a Duracoat galvanized muscat. These are the Sealand brand beads. They're a cylinder-shaped size 11 seed bead. The color is burnished copper lined. Plus we have 3mm Miyuki bugle beads. They are cream Ceylon. Let's take a look at the 3 strands of check glass beads we have. There's a strand of 100 2mm round smooth drux in this matte metallic antique copper, plus a strand of 50 3mm fire polish beads. I love the name of these. They're turquoise moon dust. And there's a strand of 50 4mm fire polish. These are a really interesting bead. They're hurricane glass with matte cactus fig as their color name. So cool. These crescent beads came in a full tube. They're one of the polychrome colors in aqua teal. And another 2-hole bead are these Moby Duo beads with a chalk white teal luster. And you get a package of 30. And there's 10 of these check glass hibiscus flower beads with a mossy green Picasso finish. And I love the Krakowski crystals. They really do sparkle so much. So these are the 8mm crystal chatons. They have a nice deep point on the back. You get a total of 6. They're in the green Sphinx. It's absolutely amazing color and cut. You get 2 of these navettes in the color tangerine. This is another beautiful crystal, but I love how the findings from this collection really coordinate so well and match the colors. They're all by Gleamcraft. Here we have a toggle clasp. All the findings are in antique copper with this green patina. It is on both sides. A pair of ear wires. And look at these findings. They're elongated ornamental teardrop shape. There's the holes at the bottom that you can always add your beads to. So cute. And 2 nice charms. These are a rounded square with a flower. The Terra Verde collection light really inspired me with its beautiful colors. I hope that inspired you too. I'll be sharing the tutorial on how to make this bracelet very soon on my channel, so don't forget to go ahead and pick up one of these collections. And until then, I hope you have a beautiful day.